Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube video. This is Marius Tech. In this video, we're going to be setting up Airtel Kenya APN settings. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. I start up the tutorial. Don't forget to like this video. I recommend you guys to like the video. So we are going to open our phone in settings. Then we are going to go where we search from. My phone searches from there, but on some devices the search bar may appear right there. You can go and search from there, and then you're going to go where we have the duo. Me, I'm going to go and search for mobile networks, but I will go step by step. I'll go where we have I'm going to go where I have the duo SIM and mobile network, and then I'll be choosing my SIM, this one. SIM 1, it is Airtel Kenya. I'm going to choose that one, and then I'm going to go where I have the access point name. I'll choose that one, and I'm going to come where I have the plus button. The plus button may be appearing there on some devices, but on my device a plus button is there. But you can also choose your device when a plus button appears down. So I'm going to choose this one because of my device. I'm going to come right here where I have the APN type and the APN name. I'm going to name Airtel, and then I put satellite, and then I save. Then I'm going to the APN, that one, I mean this one. I'm going to choose IMS, then I save. I'm going to go where I have authentication type, and then I'm going to put PAP or CHAP. And then I'm going to go where I have the APN type. I will write a word default. And then after, I'm going to go where I have the APN protocol. I'm going to put IPv4/IPv6. And then I'm going to go APN looming protocol and put IPv4/IPv6. The bearer, I will choose all of them. I make sure I enable all of them. And then I'll be coming right here where I will save from. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. I remain Marius Tech, and I sign out.